Introducing the 2020 Subaru Forester. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Subaru prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.